Today we're going to talk about in this video how to move things from your H drive and upload them to your Google Drive. In one video we talked about what your H drive was and how to save things to your H drive. Mine's in the middle of the screen here on File Explorer. There might be other ways you can find yours, but if you can link it to your desktop, that's probably the best way. Another way is down here. It might be linked to your Start menu. So when I open mine up, it opens all my H drive stuff. I have to go to the bottom and look for that H, and this is stuff that I've saved here. Your Google Drive is on your school email. If you go here to your apps, you're looking for this drive here. These you can click and move around, so yours might be somewhere else. When I click on that drive, it opens up this. Anytime you've shared something or someone has shared something with you, it's housed here. So sometimes this can get a little chaotic. As you can see, I have a lot of stuff in mine because people have shared a lot of things with me. The starred feature is really great because you can start things that are important, so they're all housed right here. But I made this practice folder here, and folders are another great way to keep things organized. A great thing with Google Drive is if you learn to right-click. When you right-click, you get a lot of options. One of them being upload files or upload a folder. You can create a Google Drive or a Google Sheet from here and link them here. And then you can open up new things. Upload files is kind of what we're going to work on today and bringing that in. There's a couple different ways to add things to your Google Drive. One way is if you make this screen smaller, you can literally just drag things from here and upload them. So I'm going to just pick something to show you that how to upload them. So let's say that I wanted to upload this study guide, and I'm going to upload it to my folder over here. So if you can kind of almost split the screen here, you'll just be able to grab this and then drop it into here. And it'll say that it's uploading, and it'll show you if it's complete, so it says that it did it. I can go to this folder, and now this rubric is in here. Another way to do this is if you right-click on this folder again, you can see there's a bunch of things to do with this folder, but you can click on this, and it'll open up. And when I right-click, I could do upload files, and it's going to bring up that File Explorer again. So I need to go to my H drive, and I'm going to upload a file. You can upload a PowerPoint, you can upload pictures, you can upload a PDF. Anything that you need to upload, you can put in this drive. So my other thing is added now. So that's a couple ways to add things. But like I said, that right-clicking feature on a folder will give you lots of options. So that's two ways to upload things: drag and drop, or open the folder, right-click, and upload file.